This video provides an overview of the metering requirements for PV-only installations with Tesla Solar Inverter. If installing Tesla Solar Inverter with Powerwall, follow the steps outlined in the Powerwall installation manual and in the Powerwall metering overview video. For PV-only installations with Tesla Solar Inverter, two values are monitored. The first value is solar, which is automatically monitored by the inverter and measures the total amount of solar power being produced. The second value is site, which is the total amount of power flowing in and out of the home. Site is measured by current transformers that are placed by the installers and will be equal to the values measured by the utility meter. Although site monitoring is not a requirement for Tesla Solar Inverter to function, this measurement provides this real-time visibility of a home's power consumption, the amount of power flowing to and from the utility grid, and the amount of power offset by solar. Please note that solar production from any third-party inverters is not monitored by Tesla Solar Inverter. For homes with existing third-party solar inverters, site current transformers should not be installed. To perform revenue-grade metering, one energy meter and one current transformer are factory installed within the inverter to monitor solar production with even greater accuracy than the inverter's internal metering. With the factory-installed current transformer plugged into port 1, the three remaining empty ports on this meter can be used for site monitoring. Installers have the option to use the empty ports on this meter or install a new energy meter for the current transformers used for site measurements. Site CTs should be placed on the home's line 1 and line 2 feeders between the utility meter and the main breaker for the home. Keep in mind that most power companies do not allow equipment like CTs to be installed within the meter enclosure itself. Site CTs should be installed within the main electrical panel in a position that logically provides the same readings as the utility meter. Pinch the base to open the CT, then place the conductor within the opening. Ensure that this label is facing toward the source of power, in this case, toward the utility grid and away from the home loads. CTs can be installed around wires or bus bars as long as they are fully closed around the conductor. Improperly installed CTs will provide inaccurate readings. If any line-side taps are present in the system, site CTs must be installed upstream or closer to the utility meter than the taps. If taps are installed in a position that prevents current transformers from being installed upstream of their connection point, two sets of CTs can be used to monitor both the main panel feeders and the tapping conductors. When multiple CTs are being used to monitor the same phase, Y-splitters can be used to combine their readings. The other end of the current transformers used for site monitoring are plugged into ports 3 and 4 on the energy meter. Each of these ports monitors a different phase of the electrical system. Port 4 is used to monitor line 1, while port 3 is used to monitor line 2. Please note, if there is a phase mismatch with the inverter, an alert during the commissioning procedure will inform installers that the CTs plugged into ports 3 and 4 will need to be swapped. To increase the length of current transformer wiring, one extension can be used to reach the maximum overall length shown here. For sites where the point of measurement is beyond the reach of the current transformers, an additional energy meter can be installed in the main electrical panel. Adding a new energy meter requires connection to a 15 or 20 amp 2-pole breaker, connecting current transformers, and pairing to the Tesla Solar Inverter over Wi-Fi. During commissioning, installers will configure meters and view real-time monitoring data for solar production and home loads. For more information about installing energy meters, read the installation manual and residential energy metering guide.